Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for Blue Prism Installation Engineer. So let's get started. Question number 1, what exactly is robotic process automation? Your answer is: robotic process automation refers to the process of automating tasks, with the help of software or tools to deploy bots that will reduce the involvement of humans in performing any task. 1. You must be familiar with three terms: robotic, process, and automation. Let me go over each of these terms one by one. 2. Robots are entities that mimic human actions. A process is a set of steps that leads to a meaningful activity. For example, the process of making coffee or preparing your favorite dish. 3. Automation. A process carried out by a robot without the intervention of a human. Question number 2, could you please list a few general RPA requirements for front and back office processing? Your answer is: to be honest, there is no definitive answer to this question. However, you can respond to the interviewer by stating that, aside from the tools and client requirements, the majority of the requirements are the same for both front and back office processing. The same configuration can be easily deployed, and the results are always superior in every way. Question number 3, what factors should be considered during the automation planning phase? Your answer is: during the automation planning phase, you must consider the following. 1. The most suitable RPA tool for your project. 2. Gather the parameters that are within and outside of the scope of the project. 3. Project timelines for testing environments. 4. Deliverables are identified. Question number 4, do we need to know how to code to use the Blue Prism tool? Your answer is: Blue Prism does not require any prior programming knowledge because it has designed its digital workforce to be built and managed by users. Aside from that, Blue Prism has ensured that its digital workforce adheres to spanning technologies, operations, and the robotic operational model so that it can be implemented in any department of an enterprise. Question number 5, what is the market demand for Blue Prism? Your answer is: Blue Prism, one of the most popular RPA tools, is used to design automation scripts for various departments and tasks because robotic process automation aka RPA cannot be implemented without RPA tools. Blue Prism can encrypt or decrypt keys both internally and externally. Apart from that, it enables audit logs, which makes debugging easier for users. These are just a few points, but I am confident that once you begin using the tool, you will understand its benefits. Question number 6, what level of assistance is required from Blue Prism Professional Services? Your answer is: Blue Prism provides a diverse range of services. As a result, it is entirely dependent on your current abilities and what you wish to learn next. Blue Prism can provide full training to learn the tool as well as 24/7 support, to ensure that you learn the tool quickly and begin automating tasks. Blue Prism is in charge of delivering business benefits within the agreed-upon service levels. Question number 7, can you tell me about the hardware requirements for running the Blue Prism platform? Your answer is: as of now, there are no hardware requirements. However, because Blue Prism is designed to meet IT standards for IT security, operational integrity, and operational supportability, this software is ready to deploy. It runs on the standard or local desktop in front office processing, and on a large number of systems in back office processing. Question number 8, what exactly do you mean by Visual Business Object? Your answer is: Visual Business Objects are used to interface with an application. This application interface is configured in a separate environment called an Object Studio environment rather than in Process Studio. As a result, a business object is never visible to the control room but is always used by a process. Question number 9, what do you mean by process in Blue Prism? Your answer is: a process is very similar to a business object. It behaves like a human user and employs software robot logic. Each process is defined by one or more pages, with each page containing various stages. A process always begins on its main page and progresses to the other pages. Each page has its own tab to ensure that the processes are separated into various logical groupings. Question number 10, how do you get started with Blue Prism process delivery? Your answer is: since the operational agility framework is scalable, Blue Prism recommends a phased approach to get started. This environment is used to initially target the configuration of 1 to 10 processes, with a rolling program of processes being introduced once the framework is established. Question number 11, what do SDD and FRQ mean to you? Your answer is: the Solution Design Document, also known as the Process Definition Document, is used to describe the Blue Prism automation process derived from the Process Definition Document. The Function Requirements Questionnaire, abbreviated as FRQ, is used to provide areas for consideration as well as a checklist for required details. Question number 12, what are the global mouse click and global send keys used for? Your answer is: global mouse click and global send keys are two operations that necessitate the use of an active application. In the case where the application is not front-end, operations will click or type into the active window. This could also be another application or a blank desktop. Question number 13, what do you understand by Blue Prism Process Template? Your answer is: Blue Prism Process Template serves as the foundation for all processes created in Blue Prism. These templates ensure that processes are simple to configure and maintain. They also assist the user in understanding how workflows are used in all processes created. Question number 14, where do tags appear in Blue Prism? Your answer is: tags are keywords or terms that have been assigned to work queue items. When you want to retrieve the next item from the work queue, you use these tags. You can also filter the items to be retrieved based on the presence or absence of a specific tag, by providing appropriate arguments to the getNextItemActions tag filter input parameter. Semicolons can be used to separate multiple tags. Question number 15, what is the purpose of business objects, and how can you tell if an object is attached to an application or not? Your answer is: the primary function of a business object is to serve as an interface to a single application. Business objects are used by processes and are not visible to the control room. To determine whether or not an object is attached to the application, use the top or root element in an application model. Then you must choose the Read Operation option. The business object will be connected once you select this option. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.